chosen ones, the Queen and the Merle tribe, has been captured by the evil Florians and their mad king. They have taken our Jerry's minds. Please, please, please rescue her, please.
Tuna, perch, and halibut and flounder, snapper, chub, and schools of fat walleye. The one that got away's 100-pounder.
One of us, one of us, one of us, moo, one of us, moo, one of us, moo, one of us, moo. You guys better give up now, or King Gorge will crush you all. Don't you see, Mr. Moose? You have become a slave to the Mongoose ooze. You must resist it, or we're all doomed. Ah, shut up. Soon you'll be one of us, a loyal servant of the Magoo. One of us, moo, one of us, moo, one of us, moo. There she is, and it looks like she's running out of time. Let's go. One of us, one of... What? Oh, okay. The chosen ones? So the legends are true. I should have believed Horty all along. Horty? Guys, there's an aqueous thermal diffuser not far away. We need it for the rip zipper. Look, it's over there. Wow, it's wonderful. Dude, it's a wood chipper. That's what I said. The king has built the dam to stop the river from flowing through the village. Now they can only drink the ooze, which makes them slaves to the Magoo. It's an environmental catastrophe. How can we stop him? If you can distract the king long enough, my warrior will be able to break the dam. The river will flow, and everybody will be free from the terrible ooze. Y'all want to help, Queenie? You got it. Thank you. When you are ready, come and talk to me. Greetings, y'all. It is down here, cameraman. No, here. No, you fool! I'm right here. Good. Cameraman has asked me to give you all an important update before this video ends. In the next part of this Battle for Volcano Island cutscene series, it'll be Yertle the Turtle's final appearance on the YouTube channel. So he's not a full-time character like we told you before. In the past, he is only in a few videos, and this is his final video, and no more Yertle the Turtle in our videos. Okay, we want to make it clear to all of you out there in YouTube land. So until the next video, this is Sheldon J. Plankton saying Arrivederci. Mexican or something. Hey, someone cue the end titles, please.
Subscribe.